The English East India Company takes over. In between 1600 and 1757, European companies extensively purchased Indian textiles and handicrafts, and India received large amount of gold and silver in exchange. Factories were set up by European countries during Mughal period. These companies aimed to establish their monopoly over the very profitable trade with India. From 1757 onwards, English East India Company increased their political control in the subcontinent. It also established control over level revenue collection and trade. The company's monopoly on Indian trade had a long-term effect on the urban economy. In 1764, after receiving the Diwani of Bengal, Bihar and Odisha, the English stopped the import of gold and silver to pay for Indian goods. As a result, the money supply from Bengal decreased greatly. Now, Indian goods were sent to Britain at no cost. The quality of Indian goods was very high that English manufacturers were unable to compete with it. This led to a ban on wearing printed calicoes in England by their government.